Excuse me, where can I find the men's denim pants?
They are right over here. Are you looking for a specific size or fit?
I'm looking for a size 32. I usually prefer a slim fit.
Got it. We have a few options in 32 Slim. Do you prefer light wash or dark wash?
Dark wash, please. And what about the price range for these?
Most of our denim is between $60 and $80. Do you have a budget?
I'm hoping to stay under $70 if possible.
No problem. We definitely have options in that range.
Nice. Are there any sales or discounts today?
Yes, some styles are 20% off. I can show you which ones.
Great, that helps. Also, do these run true to size?
Most of them do, but a few run a bit tighter in the waist. I can help you check the fit.
That'd be great. I don't want something too tight.
No worries. If you want, you can try a 33 too, just to compare.
Sure, that sounds good.
Perfect. The denim section is right this way. Please follow me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's just a few steps ahead on the left.
Here we are. These shelves are all men's denim. The slim fits are on the top row.
Great, thanks. Can I take a look at this pair?
Of course. That one is a dark wash, size 32 slim. It's one of our most popular styles.
It feels nice. Is the fabric stretchy?
Yes, it has a bit of stretch, so it's comfortable for daily wear.
Good. I'll try this one. Maybe I should also try the 33, just in case.
Sure, here's a 33. Some customers like to compare both sizes.
Yeah, I want to see which one fits better.
The fitting rooms are right behind you. You can take up to 3 items inside.
Perfect. I'll try these 2 pairs first.
Take your time. If you need a different size or another style, just let me know.
Will do. I'll be out in a moment. Hi, I'd like to check out, please.
Sure. Did everything fit okay?
Yes, the size 32 worked perfectly. I'll take this pair.
Great choice. I'll ring it up for you.
Thanks. Is the discount already included?
Yes, this style is 20% off today. The final price comes to $64.
Okay, that's within my budget.
Perfect. Will you be paying with card or cash?
I'll use my card.
All right, you can tap or insert your card when you're ready.
Done.
Great. Your payment went through. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. And here's your receipt. You can return or exchange within 30 days.
Awesome. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.